Well, hey everybody, here's my version of the Hho Electrolyzer. I started out with a bigger box, 5-plate configuration, thought up by Hho using the stainless steel outlet plates. Except for I went to a different plate. Plate I decided to go with was the plate what is it, 220 outlet. It's got the big hole in the center. I thought it would be good. Here, let me shake this up. Maybe you can see it. I thought no, that water's brown, but I'm using tap water and baking soda, teaspoon of baking soda, or actually a half teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, look, you can see it, that's the plates I'm using. It's got the big hole in the center with the flanges facing downwards towards the bottom of the container. It's just the electrical box that I purchased, a small one, just to hopefully maybe mount it in the car. Let's see, there's that plate. Stainless steel bolts, etc., etc. One side's positive, red side's positive, blue side's negative. I've got 5 plates, bottom plate being positive, then negative, positive, negative, and positive on the top. It seems to be working pretty well. I haven't done a pressure check yet to see how many liters per minute I can get. That's soon to come. Just thought I'd get it hooked up. I started out using this box over here. It's a bigger box. Found it at work, laying out back. And actually for this one I used 2 5-plate configurations and hooked them up together, and it produced quite a bit. It was bubbling a lot, but the box is so dang big I really didn't want to go with that, so I found something a little smaller. I'm going to pause for a minute here so I can show you this plate configuration I got going on. Alright, I'm back. I just thought I'd open it up. It's an electrical hinged box. They took it off the wall. It had a bunch of holes in it. I got some of that epoxy. You squeeze it between your fingers. Pushed it in there. Plugged all the holes, as you can see. Worked really well. So if you need to patch any holes, that's some good stuff. But anyways, here's the plate configuration. Yeah, there it is. 5 plates, as you can see right there. Hho is the one that was using those. I just used stainless steel bolts, and was a 1020, and stacked them together. Drilled each plate. I drilled one side, say bigger, on each plate, and then used the plastic washers and nuts, and just went back and forth and kept one side positive. Then on the next one I made it so that plate would not contact, using the washers, plastic washers and nuts, so on and so forth, all the way down through there, making one side negative and one side positive. And when you close it up, as you can see, the flange side of the plates are down, okay, and it goes into the water. So kind of what I was trying to do was get bubbles, of course, are going to rise, so I wanted them to rise up through the center, through the main big hole there. Okay, so kind of like convection, suck it up, through the flanges there, heading towards the center and out through the big hole. Kind of create a little bit of water current there to circulate the water in the tub, you know, help it maybe stay a little cooler, maybe not. You know, but just keep that water circulating. You know, that's what I wanted to do. That was my main focus. But it seems to work pretty good. I had this one here, as you've seen, and another one connected here, and I just hooked this in, power coming off. But that's that. But that was quite a big tub there, as you can see, compared to this other one. Now, I still have enough room on this one if I wanted to go ahead and throw another 5-plate setup in there. And well, I suppose I'll go ahead and turn it on so you can see the production in my bubbler. Connect this up here. And I noticed once it started warming up, she was putting out considerable amount of bubbles. As you can see here, it's coming out pretty good. I like it. I actually had the same bottle set up here in the living room, and was trying to see how everything was going using a power supply from the computer, and it actually blew up on me. Thing went everywhere, couldn't find nothing till like the next day I went looking and found pieces everywhere. But here it is. You can see how much it's producing, and it doesn't really get that hot. At least I had it running for a good 10-15 minutes. It's a little warm. It's not that bad. Look how brown that gas is, or the water. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'm using tap water and a ½ teaspoon of soda, baking soda, which I will change as soon as I can find some sodium, or what is it, potassium hydroxide. Give that a try, and let's see how this works. It's producing quite a bit. It's not bad anyhow. Like I said, as soon as I can get around to it, I'll give it a try and see how many liters we're producing per minute. I doubt it's as much as some, but right now it's pretty effective. So yeah, this is coming off Sir Hoax. Thanks, Sir Hoax, for this idea. Thought I'd change it around a little bit. Hope you like it, and anyways, good luck to everybody, and you know, keep making them videos and getting that info out there. I see we've got some people out there with the plastic sheet that's supposed to produce on-demand HHO. They were working on it for 6 years, and well, hopefully that works out. Anyways, this is Robo Rigor signing off. Good day to y'all, and good luck in your experiments.